Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Daniel Lopez, the Blind Samurai, and I am doing a test video. I am wearing my jlab earbuds. You see, I'm gonna be doing exactly what I did in some other video, just to make sure that my sound is good. Okay. Let me see. I think I was talking pretty low, like this, in my video. I'm not sure if you can hear me. I'm gonna count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now I'm gonna talk a little bit louder, and I'm still in front of the AC, sitting down with my J Bud, yeah, with my JLab earbuds, and I'm gonna count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm still sitting here in front of the AC. If I reach back with my hand, I could touch it. Giggity. Um, but, oh no, wait, let me see. I'm kind of far from it. I'm talking pretty loud. I think I'm talking pretty loud at least. And let me take one earbud out just in case to make sure. I am talking pretty loud. I am going to talk low again just to make sure and count to 10 again. Putting the the JLab earbud. Alright. Okay, now I'm going to count to 10. I'm talking lower because I did make that video pretty late, so if you can't hear me, that's probably what happened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now I'm going to go back to talking loud. Okay, now I'm talking loud. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off my AC and still wearing the earbuds. I'm going to talk again low and high. I just want to make sure it's not the earbuds themselves that suck, and not to blame my AC anymore. Okay? Hooyah, hiya, hooyah. And while I do this, I'm also going to talk low again and high again. Just to make sure the quality of these JLab earbuds are good. Okay, I'm going to start talking low now. Hello, already? That's funny how I said hello. Okay, now I'm going to start counting to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm still talking low. Hopefully you can hear me in the JLab earbuds headpiece. These are not the new ones. These are the ones that have the little buttons that if you press it wrong, you'll press it more into your ear because people don't know to hold them with their fingers, with the index and middle finger when you press it, or however other way you press it, so it won't smash in your eardrum. Okay, now I'm going to start talking loud. So now I'm going to count to 10 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you watched this video, thank you for watching it. It was just a test for the JLab earbuds. And these are, like I said, the older models. They're newer models now that you could they have like a little touch, I guess, sensor or touch screen thingy majigger. But these have a button. They were like $40, I think. And the new ones I think are $60, but I don't know. Alrighty, thank you for watching. I don't really listen to my own videos unless I think they're really cool, but I am going to listen to this one. It's going to get uploaded anyways. Just another thing to upload. Test, JLab earbuds. Thank you. And And thank you guys for watching. I don't know where I left my phone. Turn it off. Okay, there we go. Bye bye now. Bye bye.